n8n workflow to remove image backgrounds with Airtable, APIimage, and Google Drive. We'll build a simple, reliable automation that starts on demand, fetches images from Airtable, sends each one to APIimage for background removal, downloads the result, and saves it to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a repeatable flow. You can test manually and scale whenever you're ready. Start by opening n8n and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger node and name it Remove Background. This trigger is perfect for testing because it lets you run the workflow on command without waiting for schedules or webhooks. Next, add an Airtable node and call it Get a Record. Connect it to Remove Background. Configure it to point to your Airtable base and the table that holds your media files. This node will fetch the images you want to process. Make sure the record includes the field that stores your image URLs or attachments, since we'll use that data in the next steps. Add a code node named Code and connect it to Get a Record. Paste your code that extracts the image URLs and any relevant metadata from the Airtable response. The goal here is to transform Airtable structure into a clean, predictable shape for the API, typically an array of items where each item exposes a single image URL field. Confirm the output contains the exact field name you'll use later. Now add a split-out node called splitout and connect it to code. Set the field to split to original thumbnail URL, or whatever field name your code node produced. This makes sure each image URL travels as its own item, so the downstream API call processes images one by one. Add an HTTP request node called APIimage API and connect it to splitout. Set the method to post and the URL to https://apiimage.org/API remove background. In the headers, include your authorization bearer token using a secure credential in n8n rather than pasting it directly. In the body, pass the image URL coming from splitout. This sends each image to APIimage to remove its background. Add another HTTP request node named download and connect it to APIimage API. Configure it to request the processed image file returned by APIimage. Ensure the response is handled as binary so it's ready for storage. Finally, add a Google Drive node called upload file and connect it to download. Choose your drive and target folder and set the input to the binary data from the download node. This saves the final background-free image to your drive. To recap: manual trigger, fetch Airtable images, prepare and split URLs, send to APIimage, download and upload to drive. Only the APIimage API call and the download step are essential. The other nodes make batch processing and storage seamless.